Happy today, family, and thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be making easy cornbread. And first, I have a cast iron pan here, and I have a teaspoon of shortening. I'm going to spread this around in my pan, and I'm going to put it in the oven for about 5 to 7 minutes, which I have preheating at 450 degrees. And while that's happening, we're going to put together our ingredients. I have a package of muffin mix. I have a cup and a half of buttermilk, which I had to make myself because I was out. So I took a cup and a half of whole milk and I added about 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and that'll make your buttermilk. I have a 1/3 cup of whole milk. I have 1/4 cup of oil. I have 2 eggs, and I have 2 cups of self-rising cornmeal. And we're going to put it together like this. We're going to open, we're going to open our muffin mix. And add it to the self-rising cornmeal. Put it together a little bit. Mix it up. Mix it well. Then I'm going to add, we'll just do it like this. My oil to my eggs and the whole milk. And we're going to mix that together. That should do it. I hate that. I'm going to make a well. I'm just going to add the eggs. The milk and the oil, and I'm going to add the buttermilk. A little at a time. Oops. Excuse me, guys. I'm going to mix it well. I'm going to make some greens, some collard greens to go with that. Add the rest of this. See how it curdles when you add the lemon juice into the whole milk? Don't forget, if you do it, you have to set it aside for a minute. It won't do it immediately. Set it aside for about 5-10 minutes or so. It's so cold outside. I'm just waiting around. Can't wait till I say 4 to wait it to warm up. Seems like winter has been here for way too long. Okay, it's mixed together well. And I'm going to take my cast iron pan out of the oven, and then we'll add our ingredients. Right back. We're going to add it to our hot pan that we've just taken out of the oven. See how it's sizzling around the edges? Yeah, that's it. Okay, and we're going to add it, put it back into the oven. And we're going to let it cook for about 20-25 minutes until golden brown. And I'll be back when that's done. And here you have it. Easy cornbread. Well, thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you had as much fun as I did. And today is a good day to do something nice for someone. And until next time, be well.